Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products available to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the Greenworks 48-volt 17-inch cordless push lawnmower, and let me tell you, this is the best rechargeable electric lawnmower you'll find on the market today. The Greenworks 48-volt cordless lawnmower is designed to make lawn care a breeze with its powerful performance and user-friendly features. Powered by two 24-volt 4.0 Ah lithium-ion batteries, this mower can run for up to 45 minutes on a single charge, depending on the grass conditions and your usage. That's more than enough time to take care of most medium to large-sized yards. The included dual-port rapid charger makes recharging quick, ensuring you're always ready to go. No more waiting around for hours to get back to mowing your lawn. What makes the Greenworks mower stand out is its maintenance-free design. It doesn't require any gas, oil, or emission handling. All you need is a push-button start, and you're good to go. The mower is extremely quiet compared to traditional gas-powered models, which means no more disturbing the neighbors or dealing with that loud engine noise. It's a clean, quiet, and efficient solution for your lawn care needs. The 17-inch cutting deck is made from durable, lightweight poly material, making it easy to maneuver around your yard. You'll also appreciate the 5-position height adjustment, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect cutting height for your lawn, no matter the conditions. Whether you want a fine, short trim or a longer cut, this mower can handle it with ease. The 2-in-1 feature is another great benefit of the Greenworks mower. It allows you to either mulch the grass or bag it, so you can leave your lawn looking neat and tidy or reuse the clippings for composting. The rear bag included with the mower is spacious and easy to empty, making the whole process even more convenient. At just 42.5 pounds, the Greenworks 48-volt mower is lightweight and easy to store. It's a push mower, so you'll get a bit of light exercise while you mow, but it's not too heavy to handle. And when you're done, simply store it upright to save space in your shed or garage. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, low-maintenance, and efficient way to mow your lawn, the Greenworks 48-volt cordless push lawnmower is the perfect choice. With its robust power, easy maneuverability, and quick recharging, it will make your lawn care routine much simpler. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time mower, this product offers all the features you need to get the job done right. So, if you're ready to upgrade your lawnmower and say goodbye to gas-powered hassles, the Greenworks 48-volt is the way to go. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.